If you're tired of staring at your bank account like it's a horror movie, and every make money online method you try just makes you cry into your coffee, listen up. Because what if you could escape the 9 to 5 grind and build a real online income using nothing but your phone and a simple copy-paste system? Yes, even if your tech skills are worse than your dance moves on TikTok. Welcome to the channel. I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com. I've been in affiliate marketing and SEO for over 6 years now. I've tested hundreds of online tools, funnels, and shiny objects that promise push-button riches. Most of them belong in the bin. But once in a while, something comes along that is beginner-friendly, actually delivers, and helps you make your first real income online. And today, I'm reviewing one of those, the Post-Promote Profit System. Stick with me until the end because I've added exclusive bonuses that will help you get faster results, make more commissions, and avoid the mistakes that cost beginners months of wasted time. The link to access everything is in the description. What is Post-Promote Profit? Post-Promote Profit is a plug-and-play affiliate marketing system designed for complete beginners. It gives you the exact funnels, the automation, the content strategy, the community, and the coaching you need to start earning online without needing a product, without needing an audience, and without paid ads. So if you can post content and follow a simple step-by-step path, you can do this. The system works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Post. You follow the content strategies inside to grow your Instagram audience. You can even do this faceless if you prefer staying mysterious like Batman. Step 2. Promote. You use the plug-and-play funnels provided to promote high-converting affiliate products. No need to build pages or write copy from scratch. Step 3. Profit. Once your funnel is live, it keeps working for you, even when you're asleep, binge-watching Netflix, or ignoring your boss at work. That's literally it. No rocket science, no needing to host NASA's next space mission. Here's why this system is so powerful for beginners. You get the exact $50K per month affiliate funnel that's already proven to convert. You get a full blueprint for picking offers, building your audience, and turning followers into buyers. You get Instagram growth hacks that help you go viral without showing your face. You get weekly coaching and support inside a private community so you never stay stuck. And you get a brand boost training showing how to turn followers into income fast. Results from students are already crazy impressive. People like Emily made over $6,500 in just 15 days. Savannah pulled in $2,475 in her first week. Nancy hit 61,000 followers in just 33 days without ads. If beginners are doing this, you can too. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
What if I told you could start making real money online, legally, without selling feet photos, dancing on TikTok, or having a large following? Yes, I'm completely serious, and it's what I've been doing for the past few years now, and I haven't looked at Indeed since then. A few years ago, I was working a job that I absolutely hated, barely scraping by. I would check my bank account before I would go buy groceries, hoping that my card wouldn't decline. I had no connections, no network, and no real skills. So I spent about $50,000 in mentorship and training, and unfortunately, most of that didn't even work. And now I make about $500 to $1,000 every single day. That's why I created this. It's a 90% done-for-you system. It's the same system that I used in order to get out of my 9-to-5 job. You don't have to create your own product, you don't have to have a large following, and most importantly, you don't have to do this alone. It's the same system my students are using to make thousands of dollars every single day. And we're doing giveaways. We're giving away PS5s, AirPod Maxes, all kinds of things. In fact, I'll even pay you for being inside of this. Isn't that crazy? If all of that sounds good to you, here's what you need to do next. Click that button down below to get access to the same strategies that I use to leave my 9-to-5 job and make $500 to $1,000 every single day. No hype, no fluff, just pure success. That's what I want. That's what I want for all of my students, in fact, and I know you can do it. All right? Click that button down below, and I hope to see you inside.
And here's where it gets wild. Most mentorship programs like this cost around $1,000 to $5,000. I personally have paid thousands for access to similar strategies. but post-promote profit is only $19, a one-time payment. $19 is like a sad fast food meal these days, except this actually builds you a future. I've tested a lot of affiliate systems, and most require too much setup, too much tech, or too much frustration. This one is clean, beginner-friendly, and backed by real coaching. If I had this when I started, I would have avoided countless months of trial and failure. This is not a magic button that prints cash. This is not for anyone who wants to get rich without lifting a finger. It's for people who are willing to follow a plan, take action daily, and want a real long-term digital business. If that's you, you're in the right place. Imagine waking up on a Monday and not dreading your alarm. Imagine earning commissions while you sleep. Imagine giving your family the life they deserve, traveling without stress, and telling your boss, "I quit." This can be the first step to making that future real. The system is proven, the community is ready. The only missing piece is you taking action. Click the link in the description and start today. The price may increase, so don't sit on this opportunity and watch others pass you again. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world affiliate marketing reviews, and comment if you want me to walk you through the inside of the dashboard in the next video. I'm Kamal from TestedApps.com, and I'll see you on the inside.